We are going to see about destructuring of state and props in functional and both class components. In here, this is functional components. This is already imported it from app.js. In here I'm passing two props, one is name and another one is data. If I'm going here, we can get it from a props. If you're able to console this, inside this you can able to find name and data values. So in here we need to pass it as a props.name. So replace of this, you can destruct those values like this. For example, if you're passing name and data, no, name comma data equal to props. This is for functional components. You can name it like this. So instead of passing here props.name, you can use name itself. So you can use this. Once it is saved, you can able to see the same result, which is name is coming from a JavaScript. So for data is coming here as a coding tutorial. So we need to console that. So just copy this and then I'm replace of this name, you can pass it as a data because it is already destruction. No, this is the easiest way and this is little easy to study as well. Like so here you can able to find this is a coding tutorial that is coming from data. So you can destructure those values like this and you can able to map it like this. So this is for functional components. If you want for class components, that also we can see .js files. In here there is a snippets called rcc. You can able to find it here. In here also we can for h1 I'm putting for the difference, and we need to import this component from app.js because first render of the React is app.js. So we need to render every component here, then only it will call. I'm calling this sample class component here and passing the same props. Just pause it and then if you save it and go here, and you can get it here it as this dot props dot name. You can able to find it here because of style of classes. Style equal to color is, if you are using inline styles, you need to use double curly braces, and color equal to I can pass whatever I want. You can able to find this JavaScript in class components. In class components, you need to get those values with the help of this dot props. So replace of this, we can destruct those values as name comma and data we are passing. Now we can destruct like this and go here and here this dot props. That's it. So replace of this dot props dot name, you can use it as a name, and for data also you can use it as a data. This is the main concept which we can use in an elegant manner. So you can able to find this coding tutorial in JavaScript which is coming from a app.js file in the states. So those are destructuring. We can for both function and class components, both are same. Only one thing is in a class components we will use this dot props, and in a functional components we will use props. That's it. If you have any doubt, you can ping in the comment section. Thanks for watching.